Yeah, dude, that's a nice one. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I realized that we didn't do an intro for this video, so I'm gonna do it real quick as I'm editing it. Anyways, so basically this video is kind of big to me and Carson. It's kind of big to anyone that is fishing. You know, you upgrade your gear along the way and you're like, damn, this is a big step. This is everything we want, you know. So me and Carson sold his old kayak. We go out and we buy a new one. Now I'm not gonna say what kayak this is. You're just gonna have to watch it for yourself, figure that out. But we both pitched in money, bought the kayak, and so far it's everything that we wanted, and I think it will be good for the channel along the way in the future. And that's all I gotta say for right now. Anyways, make sure to stay tuned, and let's get straight to the video.
Dad. The one we're getting is 77 pounds. I don't even know how much my other one was. It was probably like 30 or 40. No, it had to have been like 50. Dude, we could buy the 8. Age 10. And then we can both go on it. Then I want the kayak with the nice screws.
Yes. Yeah, you can't stand in it, you stupid.
Yeah, it's just dumb. Yeah, it's good. What color you want? I was looking at them online. I don't really want the gray one because it looks the same exact color as my old one. It's the same color as my old one, and then the other one they had. Is that a good color?
Yeah. I don't like the gray. I feel like the gray will show dirt.
Yeah, it does really bad because my old one was the same color.
Yeah, literally.
I also don't want another one that's that color. It's a boring ass color. We'll get the camo. Alright, let's go inside. Yeah, we're looking to buy a Nissan kayak. Which one? The 12T. The camo.
I don't think I have a camo, but I'll double check.
Come outside.
Of the camo?
Yeah.
Of the 12T?
You sure it's not the Desert Star?
Yeah, probably Desert Shore.
But we'll take that one too. If you don't have camo. I just don't want the titanium. That's it, basically.
So what you guys doing with the camo?
Oh, it's for our YouTube channel, but
Yeah.
he's just like filming you.
And then do you need help with the paddle or anything?
It doesn't come with a paddle?
No.
Alright, then we'll pick one out. I think we'll be alright.
Okay, it goes by the width of the kayak and then how tall you are.
Okay.
And the draft right on top of the paddle. Anybody can catch you out with that.
Okay.
And you forgot some too.
Oh.
Oh.
You didn't give it back to me.
And then we're probably going to meet you out front.
Okay.
To unload it.
Alright.
I'll just call down and let them get it ready.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. The paddles are right there.
Hey, should we get a paddle? You silly. Carson's being a silly
You
goose.
said by width and
My height.
your height.
So, what's the
We're
kayak?
the same height, so we're good on that. Stand up paddle. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Where we
Control.
even decide? Okay.
So,
There's a whole bunch of different ones.
this one, bro.
It doesn't even tell you what your height is as far as weight. That's the weight of the paddle.
You silly. 240.
Huh?
This one.
It's 240? Why?
Goddamn, smack me with.
And it's a little long technically, but we're both 6 foot, so it's really not.
It's like nice height.
Yeah, this is the
That's what I'm saying, bro. Blowing money!
One of them's gonna be leaving in a couple minutes. Okay.
Really? Would they be in both sections? Part, bro.
These, bro.
1 inch? Or is that 1 foot?
What? 15 feet.
Okay.
1 inch.
15-foot pair.
Huh? Yeah, this has to be enough. There's also 12 and 9. I don't want to get the one that we don't need. What should I get? Wait, is that the length of each one?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Oh wait, yeah, it is. It says it on each strap.
Okay, so what is that, 9?
Each 9. Probably 12. Because it has to go all the way around the kayak. Should we get 15? Because my car is probably like 4 feet across. Double that is 8. I don't want it to be too short. No, it's not 4 feet across. It's like 5 or 6. Should we get? It's either 12 or 15.
Just go safe.
Yeah. Take the seat out, maybe upside down, or right side
Be out on the kayak, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry about the wind. I know the wind is a bad thing. Every time we do a film, we film something, the wind's always bad. I'm working on a mic, literally trying to...
The wind is blowing me and I'm going in straight back.
Bro, I want to get to fishing.
Yeah, I'm going to the lily pad. We can switch over there.
Okay. Well, guys, I wasn't recording, but I did get this fish on the freaking Nuke punch, baby. Look at that thing. Just launch that shit up. So, I think we're gonna get a weight on him real quick.
Beast.
For real, already. Let's see. Did I not bring my... No, I didn't. Yeah, dude. What do you think about the new kayak?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you should try it.
Alright.
Here, I'll hold the fish. You have 2 hands. Oh, you're good.
What? No way, that's 1 pound, bro.
It says kilograms, you dumbass.
Oh, 230. Hold up, let's redo that.
2.3. Yeah, zero it out. And the weight of the clip. Whatever, 2.3.
2.3.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, so. Dude, this was
not
like
bad.
the biggest bass of this year out of gear.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
Alrighty, Ricky Bobby James Jr.
Can I hold it? Bro, I don't get to hold bass this big, bro. Literally,
we live in Nebraska.
not
bro.
anymore, yeah.
What the hell? Dude, that thing looks like a 3. If it was a little bit bigger, that would be a 3.
It has the head of a 3.
Damn, son.
Bro, the audio.
Alrighty, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. We bought the kayak. I think today was a pretty successful day for us.
Guys, look at our paddle. It's sick.
But anyways, guys, so really this kayak is pretty good. Like,
It's pretty nice.
You can stand up in it, cast from it, set your hooks from it. I was actually pretty scared. Like, I was scared of setting hooks in this kayak because of how, like, kind of, it's like stable, but it's, I'd rate it at 5 out of 10 unstable.
I'd rate it a 7.
A 7?
Yeah, because it's, compared to the old one, it's really good.
Well, no,
The fact that you can stand up on it at all, because my old one would just be like, can jump right over.
the old one you couldn't even stand up in. What are you talking about?
Literally, no, I tried before though, and I've
Really?
done it. I've done it, but you can't like fish. Like, I've only stood up and then realized it's not stable enough to stay standing up, and I sat back down. It's like really bad. It's scary as hell.
Well, anyways, guys, so comment down below what you think we should add to this kayak, because, you know, we need those suggestions. And that's it from me and Carson. Until next time, peace out.